We don't have the money for anything. That's what I need people to understand. We don't have the money for anything. So, our third vehicle is back on the road, this little pickup truck. So this guy got his truck fixed, $299. Meanwhile, I'm pretty sure we have like $2 in our transportation sinking fund.
Even though we've been on this for like 3 months, and she said we ain't got the money for it.
We don't.
3-4 months.
Hey, what's up everybody? Mr. Budget checking in, and today I'm back to problem solving. I have another problem, but the problem this time is not with the pool. This time I'm having an issue with my truck. I have a Chevy Silverado that's been sitting out there for about, it's probably been sitting for about 3 to 6 months probably. For those of you who follow me on Instagram, at Mr. Budgets, follow me on Instagram. Oh, you might as well just take this time to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know when that new when those new hot videos drop. So yeah, all right, so today I'm gonna be working on my truck. For those of you who've been following me on Instagram, y'all know that I just got this truck probably about a year ago. It's used, it was pretty much a gift given to me. So I just took it in. When I first got it, it had minor repairs or minor tune-ups to do, got a new battery. I believe I got tire rotation, oil change, all that good stuff, just to have it highway ready. So, you know, it was highway ready. We got it down here, got it home. Probably after about a month or two of driving it, the drive shaft fell out the bottom while I was driving. It was so scary. Shay was with me. I believe we were on the way to get something to eat. We were on our way to get something to eat, and then, you know, the truck started shaking. You know, the truck had been shaking for probably about a week maybe prior to it actually falling out. And I don't know, the truck was new to me, so I didn't really know what was going on. I just knew, you know, I'm about to go take it to the car shop and get it looked at, because, you know, all that shaking isn't normal. So before I was able to take it into the repair shop, we were on the highway. The drive shaft fell out the bottom of the truck. We were on the highway, and yeah, I had to get it towed, and eventually we got it fixed. We got the drive shaft repaired, and ever since then, it's probably been sitting in the driveway for probably about 3 months. Well, now the car won't start up. Or I believe after we got the drive shaft fixed, it ran for probably about a week or two, and then it started having more problems, so we parked it in the driveway, said to heck with it, and it's been sitting for probably about 5-6 months. So today, I mean, it's the summertime, and the summertime is when I was gonna do everything that I wanted to do, all the things that needed to be done, like organizing the closets, organizing the garage, putting up a swimming pool, getting the truck fixed, cleaning out the garage. So getting the truck fixed is next on the list, and that's what I'm gonna do today. Well, we took the truck to a repair shop, the same repair shop I've been taking all of my previous cars since about 2015. So I've been taking it to the same guy for about 7 years. It's very fair prices, doesn't take advantage of you. He always fixes it, and I've never had any problems out of him. So this time, we just took the truck up there on Friday, this past Friday. Had it towed there. He had it ready in about 45 minutes. When we went to the repair shop to pick up the truck, it was running. We paid, it was $300. He said he flushed out some systems. I don't really know if that was gonna do the trick. See, I was thinking, all right, so the problem is when you stuck the key in, it didn't do anything. No lights came on, no click, no about to start up, nothing. It was just dead. Like, you put the key in, nothing happened. So, you know, I was thinking, all right, no lights coming on, it's the battery. All right, so boom. I gave the truck a jump from the RAV4, and the lights came on, but it still wouldn't do anything. Like, that's all what would happen with the lights would come on. It wouldn't click, it wouldn't do anything. So I'm thinking, all right, well, it's not the battery, because the battery, you know, the lights on the dash are coming on. So at that point, I didn't know what was going on. So we had it towed to the mechanic. He said he flushed out systems or whatever. I don't exactly know what he did, because I'm not auto mechanically inclined. I don't really know about cars or anything like that. So he said he flushed the system, the car was running. I'm like, hey, cool, he fixed the problem. So boom, we drove the car home. We drove it around actually, you know, just to make sure everything was good, and everything was good. We came home the next day, nothing. Car wouldn't start, truck wouldn't start. Put the key in there and the lights came on. So I mean, I'm thinking it's not the battery. See, I'm thinking it's either a starter, an alternator, or spark plugs maybe. I don't know, but he said, I guess none of that was the problem. He said he flushed out the systems. So, and flushing out the systems costs $300. I don't know. Maybe inflation, I don't know. All right, so we just went back to talk to the guy today, telling him, hey, we just had the truck there Friday. He's closed over the weekend, so we couldn't go Saturday. So we had the truck there Friday. We pulled up on him, hey, we had the truck there Friday, and you know, the truck's not working. Like the next day, it didn't start. So he said, oh, did you change the battery? You know, he's thinking it's the battery, so I don't know. I'm about to go see if it's the battery. He suggests that we put a new battery in there and everything will be good. He said something about a distributor. He said if you get the new battery, then the distributor will do something, and I don't know. So today, that's what I'm here for. I'm about to see if it's the battery. I'm about to show you guys, this is all for documentation purposes. You know, just in case I have to take somebody to court, just in case I have to sue somebody, I don't know. So the next plan of action is to actually go get a new battery from AutoZone and put the new battery in there. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Taking the battery out of the truck, taking it to AutoZone, getting a new battery, bringing it back. I mean, and this is a new battery. A new battery is one of the things that I first put in the truck when we first got it. So I really don't think it's the battery, because that's a new battery. I mean, unless the truck's sitting for a while, had something to do with the battery. There's no corrosion on the battery or anything. I'll go out there and show you guys. This will probably be a series, because I feel like I've been talking long enough for this to be a video in itself. Or I'll just have this one be I don't know how I'm gonna do this. But yeah, this truck, I was really excited, because I've been planning on fixing this truck for about 3-4 months now. All right, so it's probably been sitting for about 6 months. I've probably been plotting to repair it for about 4 months. It wasn't supposed to sit this long. It's just that when you're married, you have to negotiate and work with other people. And you know, if you're gonna put money towards this, you're gonna put money towards that. Lately, my wife's been winning. She's been winning with, you know, spending the money on like house decor stuff and other pointless stuff. Well, pointless to me, beneficial for her, I guess. I don't know. Call it what you want to call it. But I haven't been able to get my truck fixed yet in months. So now is the time, and now is the time I'm going to have it repaired. So, I guess I'm about to I mean, I don't even know how to take out the truck battery. I don't even know how to, well, all right, correction. I know how to take out a battery, but I really don't trust myself to do it. I've never worked on this truck before. I've worked on my Camry. I worked on a Pontiac Vibe. Easy. Chevy Silverado truck, I'm feeling is pretty much the same, but it's a little bit different. So I'm about to see. I'm about to go take out this battery, take it to AutoZone, and see what the problem is. You know, and I'm actually thinking about ending this video right here. This might be the introduction to my truck problems. So, and then the next one might be a whole vlog about repairing the truck. So, yeah. I mean, that's what it is. That's what's coming next, the truck situation. I have a whole truck situation. So if you have any car issues, any car problems, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you know, so you stay up to date with all the car issue videos. And yeah, that's how we rock. Hi, yeah, we see you.